Hey, what's up? Today my boys and I are going to show you how to make glittery glow-in-the-dark slime, so just stay tuned. Okay, let me see it. Whoa! It's glowing.
That's on your face.
Today we're going to be making glitter slime that glows in the dark.
And if you ever want to make one for yourself, gather these.
Yes. Let's go over the ingredients. Good job.
It's kind of like toothpaste. And you actually have to squeeze it to get it in. That sounded like hard. I like the sound. Don't pour it.
Now we're pouring in the next bottle of glue.
Look, it kind of covers mine. Yes, cover Ziki's. You want me to try? Yes. Let me open. Okay. It's time for 200 pounds of Ziki power. Yours is covering your own.
200 pounds of Ziki power?
You think
You go like this. You waft it. Does it smell like anything?
it smells like watermelon. It smells good.
Okay.
Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch solution. 1.
Pour it in.
Whoa, it's working.
Not yet. Okay, so 1.
2. 3. How much do we have to do?
So that's 1 tablespoon.
1.
Putting 1 teaspoon.
This one? Like this good?
Shake, shake, shake. Okay, dump it in. Good. Dump it all in.
There.
Okay, next thing we're gonna do is stir it up.
I got a joke. How do you think Batman's mom calls him for dinner? Dinner, 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 Batman! I also got another joke.
All right, let me see it.
If you want to hear it, comment below. Can I feel it? It sticks. I think it's because it's made out of glue. Oh, and it actually feels good.
So the best way to get it all mixed up is to use your hands. That's what we figured out.
I can make a paw print with it. If it was big enough, we can make our prints out of us. It's in my eyes, I can see.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
You can see it does glow in the dark. We have all the lights off. And it looks really cool.
I know, especially because.
And it's the perfect consistency.
Make sure to subscribe! To give us a thumbs up.
You didn't say that?
Please. Please. Bye!
Okay, we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.
See you next Monday. Bye. Well, is that actually true?
Yep.
Elmer's glitter glue. I have no idea what this is. Thank you. Of the soda?
What are they?